Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive. Stock number B9908P. 39,000 miles on this Grand Cherokee. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Maximum steel metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, as well as 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back recline, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailer hitch. And power lift gate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. As well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into manual mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission. 4-wheel drive. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 3.6-liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway. All that with new tires and new brakes. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.